My name's Nigel Bowyer and we farm here at Coch in Llanbadach. We produce red meat. We produce about 400 fat lambs a year, and we carry about 70 cattle on the farm, mostly Aberdeen Angus crosses on Charlotte cross heifers. We grow about just over 30 acres of cereals and also maize, so that we can put all the inputs in through the cattle and try not to buy as little in as possible. Well, as one of the projects, we would like to think that we'd do something in and around soil health, but long term, we hope that it improves resilience and profitability of the farm going forward.